a telltale parrot, or no visitors allowed. We are indebted to the South London Press for the following account of an interesting little domestic drama, a leading incident of which will be found depicted in our front page. An old maiden lady recently engaged a cook on the express understanding that, quote, no visitors were to be allowed. Matters went on smoothly enough until Saturday evening last, when the old lady in question unexpectedly intruded herself into the cook's domain. On entering, she was greeted by the shrill scream of a loquacious parrot, which had been doomed to penal servitude in the kitchen on account of the bad habit he had of making unearthly noises. The old lady put her fingers into her ears, and it would have been well had she kept them there, for the moment she withdrew them, Polly muttered in sepulchral tones, "He kissed cook." These words, to the apparent discomfiture of cook, immediately attracted the attention of the old maid. Such impropriety indeed! No wonder. "What?" she exclaimed, gazing eagerly upon the bird. "Under dresser," replied Polly, in the same husky voice. Notwithstanding cook's protestations that rats had been heard under said dresser, the mistress insisted on an investigation. There was no help for it. The table leaf was raised when, lo! The astonished mistress there discovered, concealed, a full-blown, not a policeman, but a guardsman, booted and spurted. "My cousin, ma'am," said the blushing cook, but the explanation apparently was not considered satisfactory, as the old lady is advertising, with this addendum, "None need apply under 45."